Dear students, in this topic we will learn how a dipole experience a force when it is placed in an uniform electric field, external uniform electric field. When a dipole is placed in a uniform electric field, a couple means two force at a time. Couple means two force at a time upon the dipole X. This couple tends to align the dipole in the direction of the field. It means when suppose that this dipole is in this direction and when it placed in electric field, the couple tends to align in the direction of the electric field. ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की इस डायरेक्शन में मोड़ने का प्रयास करते हैं। क्यों? कपल का मतलब क्या हुआ? एक फोर्स ऐसे है, एक इधर इसको लगाने का प्रयास करेगा, इधर इसको मोड़ घुमाएगा जो है, तो घुमाने से क्या होगा कि ये पैरेलल जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है इसी के डायरेक्शन में इसको घुमाना चाहते हैं। And the dipole in the direction of the electric field, this is called the restoring couple. This is called the restoring couple. Let be an electric dipole placed in a uniform electric field and the intensity of this electric field is vector E. Vector E. In a region of space, the dipole moment vector P making an angle theta. Making an angle theta. This angle is theta. This angle is theta. Making an angle theta with the field vector E. Again let minus q and plus q be the charges forming the dipole. Forming the dipole means these two charge, एक नेगेटिव q चार्ज है, आपका एक पॉजिटिव q चार्ज है. Both the charge together are making dipole. मतलब क्या कि दोनों जो एक आपके जो चार्ज है, जो आवेश है, ये दोनों एक साथ मिलकर के बलयुग्म बना रहे हैं. And this dipole is placed making an angle theta with the electric field, and the length of this dipole means the distance between both the charges is 2L. Due to the electric field vector E, the charge plus q experiences a force q into vector E, and the direction of this field's force in the direction of the field. क्या होगा? कौन सा फोर्स लगता है? इसी फील्ड के डायरेक्शन में एक फोर्स लगता है, which is QE, and the direction of QE is the direction of the uniform electric field, and the charge minus q also experience the same force but in the opposite direction. Since these two forces are equal, means QE and QE both are equal but both are working in opposite direction. The net translatory force on the dipole in uniform electric field is 0. ट्रांसलेटरी फोर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? ऐसा फोर्स जो इसको घुमाने का प्रयास करे. वो फोर्स क्या है? जो सपोज कि ये डाइपोल की लेंथ है, अब इसको क्या करेगा? ये दोनों फोर्स इसको मोर ऐसे घुमाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। डाइपोल on the dipole in uniform electric field is zero since the forces QE act at different points and form a couple which tends to set the dipole parallel to the field vector E. The moment of this restoring couple is known as the torque, which is denoted by the Greek letter tau. Tau is the symbol for moment. In 11th we have already studied about tau. On the dipole, the magnitude of the torque. Torque means force into perpendicular distance. About torque we have studied in class 11th. Torque, there are a lot of examples where torque is used. First example, our water hand pump, our door which are attached to hinge. Tau equal to QE into 2L sin theta. 2L sin theta means the perpendicular distance is 2L sin theta, which can be found out with the help of sin theta, because sin theta equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then tau equal to 2QLE sin theta. Since QLE equal to P, then tau equal to PE sin theta, Newton meter. In the vector form, vector tau equal to vector P cross vector E. And thus, in a uniform electric field, a dipole feels a torque which is perpendicular to the page. Perpendicular to the page. Suppose that our board is page, then torque will in this way, pointing downwards. But the direction of the torque will pointing downwards. मतलब पेज में नीचे की तरफ. If the dipole be placed perpendicular to the electric field, कहने का मतलब क्या है? सपोज कीजिए कि अगर ये हमारा बोर्ड जो है डाइपोल मान लेते हैं इसको, ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मान लें और ये डाइपोल है, दिस इज डाइपोल. देन व्हेन वी प्लेस इट इन दिस वे, देन द टॉर्क विल मैक्सिमम. Because the angle of theta, because the angle theta will be 90 degree and sin theta, sin 90 degree equal to 1. Then tau max P equal to P. Then RP equal to tau max upon E. If E equal to 1 Newton meter, 1 Newton per coulomb, then P equal to tau max coulomb meter. Hence, the moment of an electric dipole is the torque acting on the dipole placed perpendicular to the direction of a uniform electric field of intensity 1 Newton per coulomb. Note, if however a dipole is placed in a non-uniform electric field, कहने का मतलब क्या है? अभी तो हमने जो देखा फॉर्मूला लिखा वो तो यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में था. अगर हमारी फील्ड यूनिफॉर्म इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ना हो, मतलब क्या कि एक समान इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ना हो, मतलब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बार बार वेरी कर रही है, तो ऐसी कंडीशन में क्या होगा? इट एक्सपीरियंस ए नेट फोर्स इन एडिशन टू ए टॉर्क। तो ऐसी कंडीशन में यह एक नेट फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करेगा, इसके प्लेस पर टॉर्क नहीं लगेगा इसमें। सो स्टूडेंट्स, our topic is over and first chapter is over, and next video will related to important numericals and important short answer type questions and some competitive questions also. Okay.